It's tea time, and I'm back, and glad that you're back again to see me. Today, I am going to be making some homemade healthy granola. Now, I got this recipe online, so this is not my own recipe. This is going to be the first time that I'm making it, but I just wanted to share it with you. Okay, and from what they are showing me online is you could make it into granola bars, or you could leave it kind of crumbly and make it like for cereal. So I'm going to show you what the ingredients are. Okay, so these are the ingredients. So we have 3 cups of rolled oats. I've already got that into the bowl. Got a cup of nuts of your choice. I like walnuts. It gave like maybe almonds and pecans. Like I said, I like walnuts. So you could do, say if you're going to choose the other nuts, maybe put more than one kind. You could do half a cup of one nut and half a cup of the other to make a whole cup. Then we got a half a cup of seeds. So sunflower or pumpkin are some of the choices that I saw online. I'm going to choose to use sunflower. Okay. So then we've got 1/4 cup of salt. No, 1/4 tablespoon of salt. Ooh, that would be a lot of salt, right? And then we got half a tablespoon of cinnamon. I gotta take my salt out, so cinnamon. Let's see, we've got half a cup of honey. I've got my honey. Okay. Also, too, what I've learned about honey, you don't want to get the cheap kind. It costs less money and all that good stuff, but the honey that's a little more expensive, this is raw, unfiltered. It's a big difference. Okay. Then instead of using oil, I'm going to use half a cup of applesauce. This is the applesauce. Forgot to put that over here. So I'm going to use that. That's healthier. And then I'm going to use hemp seeds. So you could use flaxseed or chia seed. I'm going to choose to use the hemp seed. Okay? So, now also, I didn't mention this. We're going to use an egg because with this egg, we're going to use the whites and going to make it real fluffy and put that together. That's going to keep it together to make it like a bar. I'm going to put dark chocolate chips in there, and I'm going to put dried cherries in there. Okay? So, like I say, this is going to be my first time. Whew. Them dried cherries are good. All right, so hold on. Okay, so I've already got the oats in the bowl. Okay? It was the 3 cups of oats. Then I'm going to put the cup of nuts of my choice, which are walnuts. I'm going to put half cup of seeds. Okay. And I'm going to choose to use sunflower seeds. So half a cup of that. A little bit more. Okay, 1/4 the teaspoon of salt. So not a lot, which that's all well and good for me, because I don't want a lot of salt. Okay, and half a teaspoon of cinnamon. We can get a little bit more generous with that. Okay. And let's see, we're doing all the dry stuff. Okay. Oh, we need some hemp seed. 2 teaspoons of that. 1, 2. Okay, now we got all the dry stuff together. I'm supposed to mix that up good. we're gonna be getting ready for these two things here. Okay, so we're going to do half of a cup of applesauce. Okay, and then we're doing half the honey. Make it a whole. Okay. And we're gonna mix this up. And like I say, I've never done this before, you guys. What I'm trying to do is eat better. Have me and my honey eat better. But you know, we gotta snack sometime. So, trying to just make better choices for snacks. You know, you get older. The way you ate when you were in your 20s ain't the way you need to be eating in your 50s and 60s, okay? That's all I'm saying. So we get that mixed up real good here. You see there? Okay. Then it says that you take your egg and you have the egg whites and you froth it. Make sure that's blended up real good first. Okay, on with this egg situation. Making sure y'all can see. Okay. Let's see where my little, oh, there we go, there we go. Okay. Time to beat it up, y'all. Maybe I should just use it. I have never frothed an egg before. Clearly. But I think it's coming along.
2 hours later.
Yeah, it's coming along. I'm doing something. I'm doing something. Look. It's happening. It's happening. There we go. There we go. All right, it's getting there. It's getting there. Yes.
Now connected to living room.
I didn't ask Alyssa to do nothing. I don't know what she's doing, child. Okay. I'm gonna do a little bit better. Little bit better. Okay. There we go. Okay, so we're gonna put that in there. All right, we're gonna mix it up real good, real nice here. Okay. now it says that's when you add the cherries or whatever dried fruit that you wanted to use. I chose cherries. You could also use dried cranberry, it said, or raisins. Okay. Honestly, I don't know how much it said, but I'm just gonna go by what looks good to me. Okay. I'm gonna add the dark chocolate, chocolate. And 2 for the road. All right. Looking good, looking good. I just want to add a little bit more applesauce and honey. You know, sometimes you follow a recipe, but sometimes you just gotta kind of improvise. A little bit more applesauce and honey. It just felt a little too dry. Okay. Yeah, that is much better. Much better. Okay, so now I'm supposed to put this. Okay, now I want to put this in a container on parchment paper. So I got this. I wish I had one that was kind of more like so, but hey, I don't have that. And I got parchment paper. Okay. Okay, so now I've got it sitting in the containers with the parchment paper. Okay, there's the next one. And now I'm gonna put it in the oven on 325 for 30 minutes. But first, I'm gonna take a little. Okay. 325 for 30 minutes. Okay. I'll come right back. Okay, so I am back. I took it out. It was in the oven at 325 for 30 minutes. And I even cut a little piece. And I'm gonna try it. And I must say it does taste good. I can do that. Let me show you what it looks like here. And it is healthy, but it doesn't have that, oh, this is healthy kind of taste. It actually tastes like a snack, you know? So I say it was a success. So, if you'd like to try the recipe, please do so. Let me know how it tastes for you. Tell me any variation. You might try different nuts in it. I used hemp seed. You might try flaxseed. But you have a basis of what we do. Leave me some comments. Please like, share, subscribe. Come back and see me again. All right, until then. So, next day morning, I put 3 of them in the microwave, 3 granola bars. My plan is to crush them up and actually for the microwave to soften them up a little bit. Crush them up and put them in a cereal bowl and eat it as a breakfast. So I put it in the microwave for 20 seconds. There's the 3 bars. Okay. And now I'm going to commence to breaking it up and putting it in the bowl. Okay, I am discovering at this point that I really only needed 2. So that's how it looks there. And I'm gonna put a little fruit in there. Those are blueberries. I do love me some blueberries. You're gonna notice that by how many I put in the bowl. Okay, so now I am showing how I ate it for breakfast. I put it in the microwave. I got like about 3 bars, thinking that they are at least good for you, about the amount that I need. Okay, see, a couple more drops for putting it in the microwave for about 20 seconds.
There it is.
It's made like a
Hopefully
granola
you
bar.
can see
So
that.
we're gonna soften it up
And
put
now
it in a bowl.
I'm gonna put a little almond milk in there.
See there?
And believe me, my younger days, I never thought that I'd be the one
So
drinking
here we
almond
go,
milk. But here I am.
crunching it up.
Okay, I need my spoon.
Yep, got to the second one, and by the time that was done, I realized
And look at
2
that.
was
Looks
sufficient.
good and delicious to me. And if you know, you see how blue on it? I don't know why. God only knows.